Broadly speaking, SOUN stock is riding within a longer term downtrend. It is currently down around 1% in this regular session of today, the 10th of January 2023. At some point on this 1 minute chart, it plunged all the way down to $1.84, and it has since broken above this demand line, this key volume line, and but that line, as you can see, is clearly so has since shifted, and even the Fibonacci projections have also been shifted as well. They have also been recalculated, implying that maybe that they are indeed very much the accuracy is very much a lot better, a lot more reliable than the ones that don't really recalculate. So for some reason, SOUN stock, it's the data on it, it tends to be alive. It tends to be alive. It's much more. The stock itself is much more predictable because of all of these recalculations that tend to occur. So, but in any case, this is its 1 minute chart, and it has there's only one upper projection here, which is 1.91. Okay, so but the strength of this current rebound is not a very high one as such, not so high. Okay, so let's quickly remove that indicator and use another indicator and see what the extrapolations are saying. It's not that they will give us better outcomes, but if it's going to make us happy, why not? Okay, let's try the Itakura Saito regressive extrapolation of price. Okay, let's try that. I think we have selected that. Yeah, okay, so for now it's indicating that SOUN should be at 1.89 and up to around 1.9 in the following in the few minutes to come. But this is the 1 minute chart. Let's quickly have a look at the 5 minute chart. It's not really going to be of much use to you looking at these very short interval charts. So, but at least the extrapolation is very much a bullish one. We have for now it's indicating a price of 1.93. It's extrapolating that it should be that by now, and up to 1.95 at some point in this session. So let's quickly continue to move down. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. On the 45-minute chart, we have let's see what we have. Extrapolation is equally very, very, very ambitious here, very ambitious. But the stock, it's on its this 45 minutes it's trading below this volume indication here, and sometimes some market participants can construe this as a buying opportunity, as a buy the deep opportunity. So we can see that the price it's extrapolating is 2.15 as things stand right now on a 45-minute chart, and it goes even as high as around 2.22 in the coming minutes. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see what we have. The 4-hour chart, the extrapolation, the reverse is the case, but even at that, the reverse is not completely the case. It's actually saying that as things stand right now, it should be trading. It should actually have a higher price, which is around 2.08, but it's a downward. It's a downward extrapolation. It's a downward extrapolation for the price, all even below 1.82 on this 4-hour chart. Let's now go to the 1-day chart and see. On the 1-day chart, let's see the reverse of the 4-hour chart is the case on the daily chart. So we have it's saying that it should be just slightly above where it is now, 1.97. Okay, and then the extrapolation is just steeply extrapolating higher prices all the way towards 2.95 by Thursday, the 25th of January. Okay, we have not been talking about the Fibonacci projections. We have 3.41 with 3.41, and there's also a convergence as well with one of the Fibonacci's, and the price extrapolation 2.84 is that convergence. There's also another convergence as well. I mean, since it's breaking through this, if it's since it's it will always, it just you know projected across the chart, it will always intersect with Fibonacci. So you can make any inference from that. We have 2.63. This is for Friday, the 19th of January, and then these the projections come all the way down to 1.34. Okay, so extrapolation, sorry, Fibonacci projection all the way towards 3.41 on the daily chart. Let's look at the 1 week chart and see what we have. On the 1 week chart, we have there isn't anything. I believe there isn't very much going on, but extrapolation is sloping upwards, but not above this demand, this volume indication here of 2.19. Okay, is there any need to look at the 1 month chart? Let's look at the 1 month chart. There are no Fibonacci's here because I think SoundHound hasn't been trading for a long time. That's another reason why you have to also be careful. There isn't a lot of data on SOUN, at least for the up to the daily chart. It might be a lot more fairly much reliable. I think we're just going to stick with this. And I think a few projections turned out to be the case. I think Thursday, the 21st of December, this turned out to be the case. 2.14, I believe, not absolutely the same, but something like that. A rebound was forecasted, but not a huge one. But that turned out to pretty much be the case. Okay, so yeah, SOUN a bit depressed today, the 10th of January. I think we can have a look at X and see what's going on there, like we did in the last video. Let's see what's going on with SOUN here on Twitter, on X. Okay, let's see what we have. SOUN stock, SoundHound. No, it's our video. Is it? No, sorry, it's not our video. Okay, this was posted 16 hours ago. Flashed. Okay, is it talking about the SOUN? January 4th, 16 hours ago. The trending ticker of the day, that was 20 hours ago. SoundHound down 8%. Okay, that was must have been yesterday, the 9th. Because these are all a bit old now. 7 hours. Okay, top analyst price target for next week. We don't have it. You have to go to Discord to find out. Just posted the below a second ago. Okay, that was 6th of January. Okay, there isn't very much going on Twitter concerning SoundHound. So upper projections all the way towards 3.41 for SoundHound. See what you make of it, and definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.